Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club. And in this video, I would like to share with you a very interesting concept of using the Bollinger Band. A simple one, and yet very, very, very powerful one. Bollinger Band is one of the, I would say, most popular and also favorite indicators among traders, for a good reason. Some love to trade the reversals with the Bollinger Band. Some love to ride the Bollinger Band, ride the trend with the Bollinger Band. And some, like myself, love to multi-time frame the Bollinger Band and to find the combination of the Bollinger Band with trending structures from key levels. And this is exactly what I want to show in this video, how you can do the same. If you are new to this channel, welcome to our amazing community. Please subscribe to the channel with the subscribe button below the video. Just remember to enable the notifications so you know when there is a new content available for you. And also, I would like to invite you to join us in our trading family, Traders Academy Club. Enjoy our free VIP price action course, full course. Enjoy our real-time trading education and enjoy all our real-time trading opportunities. Of course, our trading community is there for you 24/7. To join our family, please follow the links below the video in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. So to present my concept of the Bollinger Bands, I'll go to the system I developed that uses the Bollinger Bands in combination with pivot zones. And I want to show directly from the Triple B trades this concept and how it is used. Now, everything that all you will see in this video is, of course, based on the Forex Triple B, but it could be done manually, completely the same method. The best advantage that the Forex Triple B has to offer in that case, it's, if we go to the features, is this part, the automated scanner. Because instead of waiting and waiting for the opportunities and scanning endlessly, the scanner automatically built in and our trend filters built in together with the heat map and the pivots make it much more simpler to follow the Bollinger Band strategies and this concept that I will show here. So I will go to the trades and I want to explain the examples that we have using the concept. So first of all, what is the Bollinger Band? And once again, you can see I have a Bollinger Band here for manual usage. And of course, you can use the Bollinger Band also in automatic trading systems. So I want to take the example here on several trades, okay? And I want to explain the concept. Before I do the chart, the Bollinger Band, let me quickly explain you the logic of key support zone and levels in terms of swings. So as you already might know, uptrend, it's when you have a sequence of highs and sequence of lows going upside. Downtrend is when the highs and the lows are pointing down. So far, so good, right? A broken resistance, broken swing high becomes a support, and the broken swing low becomes then a supportive area. When the market flips from the uptrend to downtrend, this becomes a resistance, and this becomes, right, a supply area. So all these are concepts, and that's the simple logic, and you would see the market always moving in the same structure. Okay, always highs, lows in a given direction. When you take that and you apply the same concept on the Bollinger Band, and by the way, you might wonder, where is the Bollinger Band here in this image? So this is the Bollinger Band, it's just the lower band. okay? Because the way that the Forex Triple B operates is that it shows only the relevant boundary, the relevant bonds in a direction of the trade. So if we are looking in an uptrend here, okay, I'll be looking for the lower band, because the way that the Forex Triple B works is in ongoing trending conditions, we want the bounces. So the price to go below the Bollinger and bounce, below Bollinger and bounce, below Bollinger and bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, all these places. And then we are looking to go, as I explained the previous concept, in an uptrend, higher highs. So at the moment of the bounce, as soon as we start to create the higher highs, we start looking for the buys. Now, I try to simplify the explanation, of course, but again, the system does the automatic scan for you. If you are interested to learn more about the Forex Triple B, you can go directly to the website, forextripleb.com, or you can find the website below in the pinned comment in the comment section. And if you find that this system could be useful in your trading, you can get your copy directly from here. So back to the Bollinger Bands, okay, and the same concept, higher highs, right? Higher lows, it's an uptrend. Broken highs become supportive zone. Broken high becomes supportive zone. Now, same concept is applied on the Bollingers. We are in an uptrend. Look at that. We have a low on the Bollingers. We have a low on the Bollingers. Then we go up, right? Then it's higher highs. Low again. Now this becomes a support and this becomes a support. Okay? And what do you think happens when we reach the supportive zone that was created not just by the price, but also by the Bollinger, and created these bounces? This becomes a massive supportive area. Now, add to that the automatic pivot level included in the Forex Triple B, and you get yourself here a trading zone. So from here, we are waiting for the higher highs. And as soon as it happens, this becomes a buy. Okay. And of course, again, I'm showing that on Forex Triple B. You can do that completely same with a manual way. Okay. What you will need to do is to define your trend manually. I have an automatic scan in Triple B, but you will have to define your trend. And one of the ways to do that is exactly as I just explained, by the sequence of highs and lows pointing to the same direction, and use the swings as support and resistances. Of course, depends on the direction you are looking to trade. On that, add the pivots and the Bollinger Band lows, and boom, voila, you got yourself trading zones. From there, your trading decision is much easier. Okay, so this was one example. Then another example on the same Swiss yen, because it was very trending. Okay, look at that, a low, and a low, right? Then we have a high in between, a high in between, a high in between. So that's again fitting here in the higher highs, higher lows concept. This becomes a low, it becomes a support. And as soon as we come to retest it, we are looking for the price to bounce from the Bollinger Band, go below the Bollinger Band, bounce the Bollinger Band, and look what happens here. We start creating higher highs, higher lows, and breaking the previous fractal high that we got there. And again, automatic trending scan with the Bollinger Band bounces. And again, look at the pivots. Weekly and daily pivots fit in. Again, easy tracing decision with the Bollinger Band. In that case, the Bollinger Band uses us as a support, right? Higher lows becomes a support for the buys when the pullback happens. One more, the same concept, a low, right? Look at that. But this time, look where we bounce, not from the low of the Bollingers, but look at the combination of the low of the Bollingers with the resistance on the chart. This is a resistance zone. look what happens here. How many times it rejected? After it managed to break it, it becomes a supportive area. And not just that, Bollinger Bands, but of course the daily pivots. Look at that. Daily pivots and weekly pivot here. This is a massive area. Now, can we in advance predict and guarantee that this will hold and for sure will bounce? Never. And whoever will promises you that because of all these technical signs, it will deliver the up move is simply lying to you. There is no way to guarantee that a move will happen. In trading business, it's all about probabilities, and you increase your probability by applying the technical methods. And in that case, a very, very basic, simple definition of a trend and the importance of the swing supports and resistances in a combination with Bollinger Bands and pivot levels. That's it. Believe me that there is a big discussion here. So is technical analysis better than fundamental or not? I'm not going to enter this discussion, but as an internationally certified financial technician, I can tell you clearly the technical analysis methods, if applied properly, increase your chances, increase your odds. They will not guarantee you to be right, but they increase your chances. So imagine from 50% being success rate, you go to 60% or 70%, depends on your level of the implementation of the technical analysis. And the higher your level is, the better your odds are. Never a guarantee for a winner, but increase your odds. And with a proper risk management, in that case, Triple B comes for help here. You got yourself a great tool and a great advantage over other traders. Okay? And it's very important to understand it because a lot of traders, especially the beginners, are looking for a guarantee, a 90% success rate or anything like that. You don't need that, and it doesn't exist. There is no such thing guarantee in trading. It's all about probabilities, and this is a business of statistics. So once again, what do we have here? As you can see, the Bollinger defined the trend. Okay, low and low becomes support, and the broken resistance becomes a support. And the low of the Bollinger hints, you see how it bounces? With the pivots, gives you a proper trading opportunity. Okay, and we can continue and continue for more and more and more examples. Again, low, 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 support, support. What do you think happens when we reach the supportive area, which also became resistance and then support on the price? Okay, and the pivots in play. Look at that. Everything lines up. Can you get a guarantee there it's going to work? Of course not. No guarantee, but you increase your chance for a winner. That's it. And it's all about that. That's I would say the most important thing in trading. It's the understanding you're in a business of numbers, and increased probabilities give you the needed advantage and better timing for an entry over other unexperienced traders. So I hope this video opens your eyes to the usage of the Bollinger Bands. Quick request from you: if you find these videos that I do here useful, helpful, educational, please show your support back. Hit this little like button below the video. Drop some feedback in the comment section. This is how YouTube algorithm works, and your help is very, very much needed and welcome. Thanks in advance to everyone who takes the time and help me, my work, and this channel. So again, I hope this concept opens your eyes and points you to the right direction with the Bollinger Bands, shows you something that you might consider could be applied in your trading. And I hope you find it useful. Once again, I want to invite you to join our trading family, Traders Academy Club, and enjoy from all these amazing features you can see here on this image. Join us with the link below in the description or in the pinned comment. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope you find it useful. I wish you and yours all the best, peace and health, of course, on the world, and all the best. I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now.